Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shrek. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you haven't really drawn anything, you should be able to draw this, alright? We are going to get started now. Alright, so I'm going to go over here and start with his cheekbone. Go out, down here, in. Alright, going to go over here with the other side now, other cheekbone. Out, down, in. So it's cheekbone and jaw. I'm going to go pull a line here for the rest of the jaw, but I'm not going to quite connect it at the moment. I might later. Alright. Gonna put a space there because his I don't know what you call them, antenna? What are those things? Gonna pull out here, over here, down. And he's got this, like, the snorks, or I don't really know what this thing is coming out of him. His ears is out there. Out. I guess those are his ears, right? Because he doesn't have normal ears. Those are his ears. Out over here. Out. Out like little horns. You know, by horns I mean the instrument. Curve around the edge. Curve around the edge. Curve here. Curve here. Alright. Gonna go over here. Out and down. Out, down here. Underneath. Underneath. I'm marking these lines because I'm gonna draw the underside of the eye right now. And I like to mark it first. Right here, like, so I can just connect the dot. Did you know Shrek was based on a person? Not the story, but I mean his design, right? His big burly dude. It was designed, I forgot what the boxer's name. I think it was a boxer, or professional wrestler. I can't remember. Somebody knows his name, let me know. You just Google, like, Shrek was based on a real person, and it'll come up. It looks just like Shrek. It's crazy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I forgot to say that. If you like learning how to draw things in these 10-minute formats, hit that subscribe. There is no downside to this at all. Most people watching this have not subscribed yet, so make this the video you do it. Because when you subscribe, what's going to happen is you're going to just see on your feed one day, you know, oh cool, like as you're scrolling, you'll see one of the many thumbnails will be my thumbnail for what's going on that day. And if it's something you want to draw, you want to stick around for it. So absolutely, you know, there's no downside. Hit that subscribe. Go over here, circle, circle, and we're gonna put a dot in the middle of that. Dot in the middle of that. You can also draw like a tiny circle next to it for the highlight. Line over here at the top. Line over here at the top. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. And let's go over here and draw the eyebrows. He's got pretty thick eyebrows, honestly. I never really thought about that. Right there on one side. Right here on the other. I didn't make them the same shape, but I'm going to fill it in as well. Alright, gonna go underneath here for the nose. So we drew the top of the nose there. Now we're gonna go to the underneath, and the underneath looks a little bit more like a soft V shape. Right there. And it's gonna connect at the end to the nostrils. That's gonna be the end of it there. Alright, go over here to the nostrils. Go over here to the nostrils, pulling up. Maybe a line here, small line that the bridge of the nose is connecting up. Alright, let's draw the laugh line over here. 1, 2, kind of the cheek laugh lines. Down, straight up. Down over here, curve, up, I'm gonna draw a line right there, over here, kind of for the lips. I'm not gonna connect them, but I think I'm gonna draw this, the philtrum underneath here. It's kind of like that top part of your mouth, and then kind of the lip line that's running in there, but it's not gonna connect quite yet. And I'm gonna draw his big old teeth here. These square teeth, right there. And I'm gonna fill that in. Curve underneath here for the bottom lower lip area. And let's draw the teeth here. And let's draw the neck curving down here, like so. Let's draw like a nose here as well. And let's draw the outfit over here. Out, zigzag over here. It's gonna be his vest. And you know, I think I'm gonna connect this line over here now. Let me straighten out his cheek a little bit. I think his cheek has too much cheekbone. Right there. And I'm gonna throw a line over here across this. I think that'll make it look better. Curved lines here around the nose. Got the really big nose, that's a huge part. Line over here for the bottom of the chin area. Curve in, because he does have that big chin. And now we're gonna pull a line over here on the right, and then pull a line over here on the left for kind of the rest of him. And line down here. He's got this vest on. And we're gonna throw another line right here underneath because he has like an undershirt as well. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.